So Weeden 14 running here, it's complete engine. This is a fairly rare Weeden because if you look at the boiler real close, there's no rivets in the boiler. This is the last model of Weeden 14 that Weeden manufactured, and if you watch eBay much, you very seldom see one of these engines show up for sale. Makes me think that they didn't make that many of them. I don't know how many years they manufactured this engine, but you don't see very many of them. It's complete. It's got the pulley, whistle, relief valve, original control knob. Flywheel turns pretty darn true. This engine has almost zero, in fact zero slop in the crankshaft, which means it hasn't been run very much. It is a dandy. Got the governor. They're all missing the governor. Sight glass. And it'll get up and move. That was a nice little Weeden. Look at that butter go. Splashing oil all over the place. I always oil my engines real well. I'm going to slow it back down. There you go, the latest model Weeden 14 that they manufactured.